This is the uppercase letter H. The letter H makes the sound, like in the word horse.
Give the letter H to Olo. Awesome! You gave the letter H to Olo. Give the letter F to Olo. Awesome! You gave the letter F to Olo. Help the bee with the letter H. Fly to the hive. Good job! Put the apple with the letter G on the tree. Good thinking! Put the hat with the letter H on the hippo. Good work! Give the ram the hay with the letter M. Great! Trace the uppercase letter H. Great! You traced the letter H.
This is the letter H. This is the lowercase h. H makes the sound, like in the word horse. This is my favorite part. H as in horse.
Drag the letter H to the rabbit. Woohoo! 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 Good work! You dragged the letter H to the rabbit. Drag the letter F to the rabbit. Woohoo! 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 Good work! You dragged the letter F to the rabbit. Give the ball with the letter H to the seal. Great job! Put the mail with the letter G in the mailbox. Awesome! Put the apple with the letter H on the tree. Cool beans! Put the ball with the letter F with the bat. Keep it up! Trace the lowercase letter H. Great! You traced the letter H